Welcome to our channel PC Troubleshooter. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a USB bootable for Windows 8.1. I'm gonna teach you in an easy way and step by step. Okay, before we start with the process, we are gonna need three things: a USB memory or pen drive with at least 4 gigs in capacity. So the second one is gonna be the image for Windows 8.1, the one that we download on the previous video. So you don't have that one or you didn't see the video, on the description of this one I'm gonna leave the link to download Windows 8.1 and also the link for the video. The last one, but no less important, is gonna be the software that we are gonna use, which is Rufus. Okay, with these three components we are ready to start. So the first thing that we are gonna use is our Windows 8.1 image, the one that we have on our download. So I'm gonna show you that one. So if I go to download, that one is here. That is the ISO. Okay, it's around 4 gigs. Okay, that is the first. So my USB, the one that I'm gonna plug, and you are gonna realize. So I'm gonna show you that one. Okay, don't forget that whatever you have on the USB, that one, all the information is gonna be deleted. Okay, so I have my USB, which is the 14 gigs, and now the last one is gonna be download. Oh, I'm gonna need to download the Rufus. It's very easy. So the thing that we have to do is go to Google Chrome, double click in there, or the browser that you use, just type www.google.com and press enter. Okay, now on the Google search, we are gonna write down download Rufus. Okay, so now that is the official website for Rufus, the one that I highlight in the red box. Just click in there. Okay, so we're gonna download the latest version. At the moment of recording this video, the latest version is the 3.13. So just click in there. That is a very light software, so it doesn't take that much of our space in our hard drive. So we are gonna wait until that one finish. Okay, as you see, that is the Rufus. So that one, if I click in here in the little arrow showing the folder, so it's gonna be in our downloads folder. So you can move, if you want, these two files to the desktop to make easier the process, or you can leave on the desktop wherever you want. For my case, I'm gonna use that one on the download. So what is the next step? The next step pretty much is we are gonna run Rufus. So we are going to double click. Okay, here we are. So that is the Rufus, the program that converts your ISO image to the bootable USB. So the thing that in here in device is telling me, that is the USB that I have connected, as I showed you before. That one is called USB. Now the thing that we have to do is boot section. In this section we are gonna click in select, and we are gonna tell the computer where we have our image of Windows 8.1. So as you remember, we have that one in downloads, and is that one. Okay, just double click or one click and open. So Rufus is gonna start loading that one. So the only thing that you have to do is change the name of the volume. Here we are gonna leave Windows 8.1. So if I press the combination Alt and E, as I show on the screen, during the Rufus application, that one is gonna activate the dual boot. So just click in start. So that one is gonna ask you that all the data are gonna be destroyed. Just click OK. Don't forget that it's quite important that you make a backup of any information that you have in there before doing this procedure. Okay, just click OK. So that one is gonna take a little while. It's gonna take 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna wait until that one finish, and then at the end I'm gonna show you how that one is working. Okay, so we are close to finish, so just wait. This process normally take 15-20 minutes to create the Windows 8.1 bootable USB. Okay, so the process is already done. So we are gonna close that one. So the thing that I'm gonna do to show you how it's working is I'm gonna unplug the USB and plug it again. Okay, let's have a look. Here we are. That is the Windows 8.1 bootable USB or flash drive. So that is the end of this video. On the next video, I'm gonna show you a step by step how to install Windows 8.1 from a USB memory on our computer. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave the comments below. See you on the next video.